On today's episode, we got the townhouse you've been dreaming of.
In a highly sought after area. Hey Scotty, today we're in a beautiful location, Southeast Barrie. Let's talk about it.
If you are looking for convenience, if you are a commuter, if you are looking for an area your kids can walk to just about everything, not to mention yourselves, you want to consider the southeast end of Barrie. Today we got an unbelievable townhome in behind us here that you're going to absolutely love. Before we get into the townhome hole, let's dial into this location. First of all, commuters. You couldn't find a better location than this. You got not one, but two commuter routes, whether it's Yonge Street or whether it's out to Highway 400, both less than 10 minutes away from here. But of course, we've got the South Barrie GO train that is right at your fingertips as well. Maybe it's into the city on the weekend for a Blue Jays game, a Leafs game. It is right there. Couldn't be more convenient for you. After that, of course, we need all the grocery, we need all the shopping, we need all the dining, and we are flanked on both ends of Prince William Way with some incredible options, not to mention out at Yonge and Big Bay Point. The sky is the limit for all your day-to-day amenities. And then, of course, if we're talking kids and we're talking young families, you're going to love the amount of parks and schools that are surrounding us, whether it's across the street, whether it's in behind us, whether it's a secondary school at the end of the road. They are all less than a 5-minute walk. You cannot get more convenient than that. And along with those comes a ton of parks, a ton of green space, and a ton of room for the kids and pets to run and play as well.
That's right, Scotty. Now, if you didn't catch that note, your kids can walk to school. That is absolutely perfect. Now, let's talk about what's behind us here. Just shy of 1,300 square feet. You have three bedrooms up and 2.5 baths. Some great finishes, very well kept. You're absolutely going to love this. And if you didn't notice it, the balcony up top too is a perfect touch. Come on in and take a look.
Welcome inside Unit 38. Now let me tell you, there is a ton of features packed into this, just shy of 1,300 square feet. As soon as you walk up the driveway, we talked about the balcony, but just underneath that, you've got a fully covered front porch. You never find that in a townhome. Then inside your spacious entryway, you've got tile that flows from the front door right into the kitchen, which is just the ideal level of finish for this space. Now for me, when we're talking townhomes, there's two non-negotiable features that I want to see on the main floor, and this one's got both. It starts with a 2-piece bath on one side, inside entry to the garage on the other. If you lose any square footage in a townhome, you're not having either of those features, and let me tell you, you're going to want them.
Speaking of functionality, I love this open concept design. The natural light in here from the huge windows, the nice pot lights, it's really stunning. Not many units in this complex have a gas fireplace, and we have one right here. So it's beautiful, it is warm right now. Loving the hardwood floors, all open concept into the kitchen. Lots of counter space, it's a really nice design, all flowing right into your living room and out to the backyard.
Welcome up to the second level of this home. Now, there's a ton you're gonna love up here as well. For me, from the moment I stepped upstairs, it was the level of finish that really struck me up here. The hardwood flooring you had on the main floor flows throughout the entire second level here as well. You can tell it was professionally installed. It is done to perfection. Now I'm here in the primary suite, which is just a ton of space, beautiful bright windows in here, but then we're into those features you don't find in every townhome again. I'm talking a full walk-in closet in the primary, not to mention your very own 3-piece ensuite, giving you a full self-contained primary suite here, which is ideal because at the other end of the hallway, the kids have 2 great sized rooms there, plus their own 4-piece bathroom, not to mention Chad's got an extra special treat for you as well.
Come on guys, outdoor living on the second floor of this place, that is perfect. I know where you're gonna catch me in the morning with a nice cup of coffee, or if you're looking for sunsets with a cup of something special, you're gonna be out there as well. It's a great outdoor space. We're outside now, obviously, great living space. I love the functionality, the design. You have an updated deck, barbecue area as well. One of my personal favorites though, you don't have a row of townhouses behind you. It's just a single family home, which is beautiful.
Chad stating the obvious, let me state what's not obvious, and that is just how well we are situated within this row of townhomes here. We're directly at the end of the street, which means no through traffic at the front. Chad mentioned just one giant lot in behind you here that's filled with a bunch of mature trees, which is going to give you all the privacy in the summer months that you're looking for as well. Just outside your back door, the kids, the dogs, they can just run out here and play, but let's not forget about the amount of overflow in this area. The trails, the green space, the amount of parks that surround us are truly limitless. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.